Hey, what's up? It's Gene. Today I'm here for Edgy Tools. I want to show you this Edgy Knocker knockdown tip. Great for blending. It's an awesome blending tip, but I've got another use for it that I love, and I want to show you hands-on for that today. So you can see it's polished, it's super flat, and it's got a really cool strike. So traditional knockdown, Edgy Knocker knockdown, right? Big difference. What I'm going to use this on is my truck got hit. The bedside went in and at the wheel well hit the inner structure. So we've got that stamp line. On this, it's an inch and a quarter in from the edge of the panel. Knocking down with a traditional knockdown leaves you zero margin of error, right? If you miss either way or even hit too hard, it wants to dimple and make a little tiny low. This, as I'm going to show you on the video over here, will allow you a really big margin of error. So check it out, the Edgy Knocker tip. I'm going to show you the right way to use it for a knockdown to knock down that nasty stamp line. All right, see ya. All right, so you can see the edge of the bed. This was knocked in. I've already done some glue pulling to get it up away from the brace. But you can see this line right here. It doesn't show so well in this video because I can't move the camera around, but it actually goes from here all the way down. Again, just like I said in the other video, if we were to come in and try to tap down with this, there's no margin of error, right? Like you're either dead on and then forward or back. You also have to be dead on as you move down and be exactly one tip away. That's too hard to do perfectly every single time without fail. The Edgy, the knocker, see how flat that is? It's got a dome, right? It's not perfectly flat, but this, when it impacts, when I'm on here, right, when I'm on this line, in theory, I could miss by this much either way and still not make a big nasty dimpled low. And then coming up, again, as long as we're close this way, it's hitting such a flat area that we come through. So let me, we'll put some music on so you don't have to listen to a hammer, but we're gonna give the Edgy Knocker a good smack. You can see, one, how quickly you can get through there, and then how much it even flattens out. So let me see if we can get a crazy camera set up here today. A little pan back and forth. And for as fast as that was done, as sharp as that crown was, it really flattened out. Super nice. All right, so that's it. That is one of my favorite ways to use the Edgy Knocker tip. If you're thinking about getting one, head on over to edgytools.com, search out Knocker, and get yourself one of these bad boys. It just absolutely kills those stamp lines. All right, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.